Ever dreamed of getting paid to share your thoughts on products? While Amazon itself doesn't directly offer cash for reviews, there are legitimate ways to monetize your experience. Here are 7 options to explore. 1. Amazon Vine. Become a trusted Vine voice by leaving insightful reviews. Amazon invites reviewers with a history of helpful content to try free products in exchange for honest feedback. 2. Amazon Influencer. Got a social media following? Build an Amazon storefront and create engaging content reviews, comparisons around products. You earn commissions when viewers click your links and make qualifying purchases. 3. Amazon Associates. Similar to Influencer, but with a focus on written content. Join the Associate program and include your unique affiliate link in blog posts, reviews, or website recommendations. Earn a commission for each purchase made through your link. 4. Freelance reviewer platforms like AmsDiscover. Connect reviewers with brands seeking honest feedback. Write reviews for compensation, helping brands improve their products while earning on your expertise. 5. YouTube channel. Build a loyal audience with product reviews, tutorials, or unboxing videos. Monetize through ads or include affiliate links in your video descriptions, earning when viewers click through to buy. 6. Live stream shopping. Platforms like Amazon Live allow creators to showcase products in real time. Engage with viewers, answer questions, and earn commissions for purchases made directly from your stream. 7. Niche blogging. Focus on a specific product category and write in-depth reviews. Partner with relevant brands for sponsored content or integrate affiliate links to earn from reader purchases.